So yeah, Remy boys ain't no fast money don't show, no one can control.
Hey, what's up guys? BlazeWolf360 here, recording another Overwatch video. I say that, but there's only one. We have Kaylee here on Skype. Yeah. I have Sony Vegas now, which is great for editing, and my voice sounds terrible because I'm sick. So I sound even more like an 8-year-old squeaker than I actually am. So
dude, you don't have to be sick to sound like an 8-year-old squeaker. It just generally comes to you.
I know I sound more like an 8-year-old squeaker than I normally am.
Well, now you're an official 12-year-old squeaker, so that's good.
Yeah, I guess. Goals: how to be an 8-year or 12-year-old squeaker.
First, turn 12. Second, have Seth's girly voice.
Wow, thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay, hold on. Am I crazy? No, hold on. I'm gonna start a new meme. I'm starting a new meme. Okay, I did this a couple days ago in the chat, and I got the meme started. So let's do it in the general chat. Beep. Hold on. Beep. Beep. I'm a sheep. Beep. Beep. I'm a jeep. Oh my god, I can't type. Beep. Beep. And one.
Beep 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 beep.
Die. No, it's beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a jeep. Okay, let's start the new meme. Anyone who watched this, comment in any video game or any YouTube video or whatever. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a jeep.
You mean the one person that's most likely our relative that decides to watch this video?
Beep, beep, I'ma kill you, someone said. Wow. They want me dead.
Beep, beep, KYS.
Beep, beep. Beep. I'm typing that. Hold on. Beep.
Okay, wait, let me just say a disclaimer for this channel. If you ever hear us telling each other to kiss the sheep goodbye, we came up with something in school that is, instead of KYS meaning kill yourself, it means kiss your sheep. So if we tell each other to kiss the sheep goodbye, it just means kill yourself.
Yeah. We wanted something nicer for school because...
And yet we just kiss the sheep goodbye. Yesterday you told me to kiss all the sheep goodbye.
Yeah.
Kiss the sheep goodbye.
The number of messages that can be sent to that channel is limited. Please wait to send another. I'm not even in.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Could you maybe not breathe on your mic, Seth, please?
I'm not breathing on my mic. My mic's late.
Yes, you are. Every 5 minutes, I just hear.
I took a full 40 seconds to load into my game, though.
Oh my god! That's 40 seconds. Like
no, it's bad. Normally I load it in like 20. It's double the time it takes to load me.
Estimated time be like 20 seconds. Elapsed time be like 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
I know. Why are they doing? Oh my god.
How could this happen to me?
My FPS is
I am capturing the objective. Try and stop me.
Time to raise my...
I will raise all of my FPS.
That sounds oddly sexual. Please stop.
Everything is God, all the mercies. We have 2 mercies on our team. I'm the only one that's lost.
I played against AI with 2 Widowmakers and 2 Zenyatas on their team.
Beep beep, I'm a jeep.
The prognosis is not good.
Beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, I'm a jeep. Beep beep, kill yourself.
Play the game!
when you get a good, one thing that I always do, but I always end up dying for is, you know how because the Reaper and the Roadhog and the Mercy and stuff have more health in Junkenstein's Revenge, that you have to wait longer in order for your ultimate to focus on them if you're McCree?
What? Hold on, I caught that on video. Yes, I did see that, but I'm not showing you this video because something weird just happened.
It's just game why you have to be mad.
I will get mad. I'm Winston.
I will kiss your sheep for you.
Yeah, exactly.
Is that homicide?
Eat brother. Eat just brother. Eat brother. Eat me. Got it. Am I gonna get play the game? 7 kills. What was that? 1 minute 59 seconds.
It's just game. Why you have to be mad?
That was literally one of the best games I ever had.
It's just game. Why you have to be mad?
Intense
Welcome
music.
to my house.
Music. Yay, Genji. Amazing.
And
It's
rage
nice
quit.
to be appreciated.
And right quick.
Rage quit, you idiot.
Look at how peaceful they were. I know, they said hello. They were like waving to me. That was terrible. 1 minute 59 seconds on attack on Hanamura. I wanna die.
Blue, dabba dee dabba die, dabba dee dabba die, dabba dee dabba die.
Now enter the Temple of Anubis.
So, hopefully I'm gonna play until I level up, hopefully. How many games? That one was fun. I'm gonna hopefully be able to play until I level up and then open a loot box on camera. So this video is 20 minutes long because, look at that sweet ad revenue.
Dude, we don't even get ad revenue.
Yeah, we do. I partnered us.
Oh yeah.
That face you make when you don't realize that you can make money off of YouTube.
Insert Lenny face here.
There we go. My frame rate's normally better on Temple of Anubis anyway. Because that was a design with very many technicalities and like complicated textures. But while recording, my frame rate's just bad in general. I normally get around 60 with these settings, and I'm getting like 20, 30.
Attackers
Mainly
incoming
30.
in 30
Hold up,
seconds.
wait. No, actually, I'm gonna spray on the ground. I'm gonna capture this on camera. Let's see if I just salute here as Genji. How many people know this? No. Widow. Move. I want to see how many people notice me. You're going
Attackers
to
incoming.
make them.
Defend objective A.
Thanks.
Wait, so you know how in Junkenstein's Revenge, when like you spawn in and then there's like on the right, I think, no, yeah, on the right, there's that door where Zomnics come out of?
Yeah.
And Hanzo got a play of the game because he popped his ult right there when they spawned in. He spawned his ult in the door. And I was like, wait, why you do this to me?
No one's noticing me. I need to show you this video. This is no. I'm actually gonna get kicked for anything. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna get kicked for anything. Literally, no one's noticing me.
Die, bitch.
My Halloween costume? Cyborg Ninja. My
I
Halloween
have the
costume?
Halloween voice line for
Cyborg Ninja.
Genji, and it's really cool. We actually have a pretty good defense. With me doing nothing. Where people heard that? Oh god. Activity! No.
You know what? I'm probably gonna go upstairs and play Assassin's Creed.
This game's ridiculous. Beep, beep. Hold on. Beep, beep. I am a Jeep.
Just type it's just game why you have to be mad in the chat over and over again.
He's just game.
Helden sterben nicht.
Why you have to be mad? It's only game. Okay, I'm gonna get removed for inactivity.
Play this out. I'm going upstairs to play video games, Anna. She'd be fine with it. She'd be fine with it. Cool.
And
Clear the point.
literally, they don't know we have a Genji.
Hey,
What? What?
hey.
Greetings.
Because he was in my room?
Oh my god, no one noticed me! Literally, no one noticed me.
Hello there.
Greetings.
What?
Hello.
Why has no one noticed me? I'm just gonna spend the entire game like this. I'm hiding. No! Farah!
Is under attack. Let us rid ourselves.
She didn't
Should
notice
I talk
me!
about YouTube? Should I talk about middle school drama on YouTube?
Okay. She actually didn't notice me for a second. And then, like, I
Phil
nudged her away.
Lester!
They actually nudged me.
It's
still.
live.
Oh, that didn't work the entire game.
Seth,
Wow.
should I talk about middle school drama on YouTube? Hello.
Wait.
Seth?
Thanks, Winston.
Hello, Seth? Seth,
Yes.
should I talk about middle school drama?
I already said yes. But
What am I-
people from our school
fuck am
might
I gonna
watch
do about
this video.
Skylar?
60 seconds remaining.
Huh? What am I gonna do about Skylar?
You have to tell the audience that if you want to talk about it, I don't have to because it's just going to sound like our half-baked.
Why?
Because that's going to sound like a half-baked
Hold on.
Days of Our Lives
No,
thing.
no, wait, hold on, Seth. Hold on, I'll be right back, okay?
Yo. Greetings.
So they're just like, really bad one.
30 seconds.
She went for the follow-up shots.
Come on, everyone.
I wanna play video games. That's stupid, I wanna play video games. I wanna play video games, what am I gonna do?
Mercy!
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I don't know. No! Jesus Christ.
Play the game. Play the game. Play the game. Let's play the game. I'm not mean.
Victory.
You're mean. Let's see, we'll play the game.
Play.
Yahoo! Does it get the ledge boost though?
Helden sterben nicht.
Does it count for the ledge boost in a way? Yeah! Ledge boost play of the game. That's still counted as a ledge boost play of the game. So I'm fine with that. I didn't Dragon Blade twice though. It says 2 Dragon Blades. Oh my god, that was beautiful. Okay, well I think that does it for this video. I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.